Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Meteor Charms in Fish It. So the Meteor Charms, as you know, is one of the new items in Fish It that you can find inside the underwater city. So previously, before the expansion, you can find the Meteor Charms right near the entrance right here. But now I'm going to show you the new locations of the Meteor Charms. So what you need to do, just head into the underwater city, and from the entrance you can just go straight until you find this shop. So you can just go inside the shop, and in here on the shelf you'll find the Meteor Charms. You can buy it for 20k coins. Click on yes to confirm, and that's it. You'll get the Meteor Charms. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.